now next thing we're going to do is we're going to check the pressure gauge. You got the pressure gauge plugged in. Turn the key to on. Go over here. I'll reach up here. Switch the switch on. Come down here. I'm going to reach that over here so I can see it. Right there. Maybe I'll see it. And let's see. It looks like about 118, and you know what? I didn't crack the throttle. Okay, try the other. And now we're going to do the front cylinder. See what happens to her. Everything's already up there. Now, that one there looks like she's right on 120. That's with the throttle open. I'll move it to the back and do the back one, see if there's a difference. Alright, now we're going to do the back cylinder. This is with the throttle open. Let's see. Finger sticks right inside there. And on. Oh. I think I got a leak in here. Okay, we're going to do the back for the second time. I had a little bit of okay, I tightened her up and she went to about 122, 123. Not too, can you see that? A little out of focus. But anyway, alright, now we're going to see how much of that sludge comes out of there now. What am I doing? Yeah, it's going right. There's my 5/8 wrench. Gee willikers. What the heck, I just had it. There it is. Alright, you get the 5/8 wrench. And not open. And then you watch what fun comes out. Okay, this is just on the bottom of any particular oil bag. This is, see what happens. Pretty nasty. Yeah, I'm gonna pull this apart. I guess I'll do new lines, oil change. I'll even pull the bottom plug out of the motor, which is a big horror story. I'm trying to get it not to leak again, but I have a secret. See, that's not too much oil for that big oil bag. You can see it inside there. And I know you might be thinking something or something, but here, let me see if I can find something to stick in there real quick. See if there's any more sludge in there. I bet you there is. Let's take this off, take this away. Then you put that in there. And there's nothing on the screwdriver, right? That's it. Ooh, I can feel it. Yikes, body's soft. There's some sludge. So yeah, I have to pop this oil bag off, change all the lines, probably end up pulling the motor, draining, cleaning that all out, because you can't have, you get a piece of this up in your, one of your oil lines over here, motor's cooked. But that could be a reason why she was getting a little hot too. She didn't have too much oil. But we'll take care of her.